Hello.
Ah!
What's your name?
I'm, Charlie!
Oh, hello, Charlie. I haven't seen you around.
Well, actually, my name's Biff.
Oh, well, that's nice. Do you want to come over to my house?
I don't know. Sure.
Why not?
Okay, I will.
Okay, come with me.